Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hansen Pretty. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to know who unfollowed me, who unfollowed you on TikTok. So if you want to know who unfollowed you on TikTok, this video is for you. All you need to do is to log in your TikTok account. On your TikTok, just like this. Once you're done logging in your TikTok, you click on the profile icon on the bottom of your screen. You can see the profile icon on the bottom of your screen. You click on it just like this. Once you click on the profile icon, you click on the three line on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the three lines. Then click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, then you click on account. Then download your data. All you need to do here is to request data. Once you request data, then you download your data. TikTok is going to send you a list of people that unfollowed your TikTok account. So guys, that's it. If you found this video useful, please do well to click the notification bell, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.